Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up oxygen acetylene tanks. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure you are in a well-ventilated area to prevent gas buildup. Before connecting anything, carefully inspect both the oxygen and acetylene tanks, hoses, and regulators for any signs of damage or leaks. Always wear your personal protective equipment, especially safety glasses, to protect your eyes from sparks and debris. Now let's connect the regulators. The oxygen regulator typically has right-hand threads and connects to the oxygen tank. The acetylene regulator usually has left-hand threads, often indicated by a groove, and connects to the acetylene tank. Make sure to attach each regulator to its correct tank. Use a wrench to tighten all connections firmly, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the fittings. With the regulators in place, it's time for the hoses. The green hose is for oxygen and connects to the oxygen regulator's outlet. The red hose is for acetylene and connects to the acetylene regulator's outlet. Once these are connected, attach the other ends of both hoses to the torch body. Ensure all these connections are tight and secure to prevent any gas leaks during operation. Finally, let's check for leaks. Slowly open the tank valves, just a quarter to half turn. Use a leak detection solution or soapy water on all connections. If you see bubbles, you have a leak and need to retighten. Once clear, adjust your regulator pressures to the recommended settings for your specific task. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.